Hello, hello. Welcome to Slow Talk Podcast. We are so happy you are here today. Get ready because today we are going to learn, laugh, and speak English together. Are you ready to speak English today? Let's go.
Amelia, how long does this take?
What do you mean?
English. How long? I study every day, every single day. And yesterday, I watched a movie in English. I understood maybe 30%? 30. After all this time.
Go on.
My friend started learning English the same month as me. Same month. And now he speaks. He watches movies. He makes jokes in English. And me? I understood 30% of a cartoon. A cartoon for children.
Which cartoon?
That is not the point, Amelia.
You are right. Sorry. Keep going.
I'm just tired. Tired of feeling slow. Tired of feeling behind. Sometimes I think maybe English is not for me. Maybe some people can do it and some people can't.
Silence. Can I tell you something?
Please.
That exact feeling, that exact thought, every single person who speaks English fluently today felt that. Every one of them.
Everyone?
Every one. Most of them stopped right there, and that was the end of their English. But the ones who kept going?
What happened to them?
Warm, confident. They changed their lives, and today I will show you exactly what they did differently.
Okay, I am listening.
Okay, Ethan, today, 3 lessons, 3 simple truths about learning English, about not giving up, and about changing your life. Ready?
Ready.
Good, because by the end of today, you will see English very differently. Lesson number 1, and this one I think you need to hear right now.
Okay.
You told me about your friend. He started the same month as you, and now he speaks better, and that made you feel bad.
Yes. Every time I see him, I feel behind.
Can I ask you something? When you started, could you say, "Hello, my name is Ethan"?
Well, yes, that was easy.
And now you are having a full conversation in English with me right now.
Yes, I am.
So you grew. You moved forward. You are not the same Ethan from the beginning.
I never thought about it like that.
Because you were too busy looking at your friend. But your friend is not your mirror. Yesterday is your mirror. The only question that matters is, am I better than yesterday?
Am I better than yesterday?
Yes. And the answer for you is always yes. Every single day that you study, you listen, you practice, you are better than yesterday. That is enough. That is everything.
So I stop comparing to others and start comparing to myself.
Exactly. Now, let's practice this in English because these sentences, you will need them in real life. When someone asks you about your progress, when you feel down, when you need to remind yourself. Now, I want to show you something. Wrong way first, then right way. Ready?
Ready.
I am your friend. Wrong way, go. Hey, Ethan, how is your English? Are you fluent yet?
No, I am still slow. My English is not good. I think I am bad at languages.
How did that feel?
Terrible. Like I want to stop.
Now, right way. Same question, go. Hey, Ethan, how is your English? Are you fluent yet?
Not yet, but I'm getting better every day. 6 months ago, I could not do this. Now look at me.
Yes! Did you feel the difference?
Completely different. The second answer made me feel strong, ready to keep going.
Because the words you use about yourself, they become the story you believe. Choose strong words, always. Bonus phrase. When someone asks about your English, or when you need to remind yourself, native speakers say this.
I'm not there yet, but I'm getting closer every day.
I'm not there yet.
I'm not there yet, buddy.
I'm not there yet.
Not there yet, but I'm getting closer every day.
Not there yet. That is honest, but also hopeful.
Exactly. It does not say I am bad. It does not say I give up. It says I am on my way. I am moving. I am not stopping.
I am on my way.
Okay, I am on my way.
And I am not stopping for anybody.
I'm not there yet, but I'm getting closer every day.
Say it like you mean it, because you do.
I'm not there yet, but I'm getting closer every day.
Perfect. Write that on your wall. Say it every morning. Repeat after me. Strong and confident. I compare myself to yesterday, not to others.
I compare myself to yesterday, not to others.
I am better than yesterday.
I am better than yesterday.
I'm not there yet, but I'm getting closer every day.
I'm not there yet, but I'm getting closer every day.
Everyone at home, say all three out loud right now.
Beautiful. Lesson number 1, done.
Lesson number 2. And this one, it sounds simple, but most people get it wrong.
What do they get wrong?
They think if I study for 4 hours on Sunday, that is better than studying 15 minutes every day.
I do this. I study a lot on weekends and nothing on busy days.
And how does that feel on Monday?
Like I forgot everything from Sunday.
Yes, because your brain is like a garden. You cannot water a garden only on Sunday and expect beautiful flowers on Monday. You water it a little every single day, and slowly the flowers come.
So 15 minutes every day is better than 4 hours on Sunday?
100%. 15 minutes every day, that is 105 minutes every week. And your brain never forgets because it never had time to forget.
Every single day.
Even on hard days, even on tired days, even on days when you only have 10 minutes. Open Slow Talk Podcast. Listen, repeat, done.
Is this a commercial again?
Maybe a little, but it is true. Now, let's put this into English sentences you can use. Wrong way and right way. I am asking about your study routine. Ready?
Ready.
Hey, Ethan, how do you study English?
I try to study a lot on weekends, but during the week, I am too busy, too tired. I will start again next week.
Next week. The 2 most dangerous words in language learning.
I say this every week.
Everyone does. Now, right way. Hey, Ethan, how do you study English?
Every day, even just a little. I listen on my way to work. I repeat phrases when I make coffee. Small steps every single day.
Now, that is a language learner who will get there.
Small steps every day. That is the answer.
Your coffee knows more English than most students because you talk to it every morning.
My coffee is very advanced now.
Bonus phrase. When you want to talk about your daily routine in English, native speakers say this: I try to practice a little every day. It really adds up.
Guess what I'm trying to say is none of it really adds up.
I mean, but it really adds up, doesn't it?
Sorry, the tanks are so big on this thing. 5 cents a gallon extra, it really adds up.
It really adds up. That means small things become big things over time.
Exactly. 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, 10 minutes every day. 1 year later, you look back and you cannot believe how far you came.
I try to practice a little every day. It really adds up.
And one more for the hard days, the days when you feel lazy. Say this to yourself: just 10 minutes. I can do 10 minutes.
That is so simple, but it works.
It always works because 10 minutes always becomes 20 and 20 becomes 30. But you have to start. Just 10 minutes.
Just 10 minutes. I can do 10 minutes.
Repeat after me. Say it like you believe it. Small steps every day beat big steps once a week.
Small steps every day beat big steps once a week.
I try to practice a little every day. It really adds up.
I try to practice a little every day. It really adds up.
Just 10 minutes. I can do 10 minutes.
Just 10 minutes. I can do 10 minutes.
Everyone at home, all 3 sentences out loud right now. Yes, lesson number 2, done. Lesson number 3, and this is my favorite. Are you ready?
Ready.
There is a moment in every language learner's journey, a very specific moment, when everything feels hard, when progress feels invisible, when you think, I am not moving, I am stuck, nothing is working.
I know this moment. I was in this moment this morning.
I know, and here is what nobody tells you about that moment. It is not the end. It is the middle, and the middle always feels like the end, but it is not.
How do you know?
Because every person who reached fluency, every single one, had this exact moment, this exact feeling. And the ones who pushed through, 3 months later, they looked back and said, that hard moment, that was when everything changed.
So the hardest moment is right before the breakthrough.
Right before, every time. Think about it like climbing a hill. At the bottom, it's exciting, new, fun. In the middle, it's hard, your legs hurt, you cannot see the top, you want to sit down. But the top is right there. You just cannot see it yet.
So this morning when I wanted to stop,
You were close. You are close. Keep climbing.
okay.
Now, let's turn this into English, because one day you will say these words to someone else, someone who wants to give up, and your words will change their life. Wrong way and right way. Your friend tells you they want to stop learning English. Wrong way? Go.
Oh, well, maybe English is hard for you. Maybe try something easier.
You just ended their English journey.
That was bad.
Very bad. Now, right way. Same friend, same situation.
Hey, I know exactly how you feel. I felt that too. But listen, that feeling means you're close. Don't stop now. You're almost there.
Now that changes everything.
Same situation, completely different future for both of you.
Because when you encourage someone else, you also encourage yourself. Every time.
That is true. When I said those words just now, I felt them for myself too.
That's how it works. Last bonus phrase, and this one is powerful. Say this to yourself on hard days. Say it to a friend who wants to give up. Say it out loud. Don't stop now. You're closer than you think.
Don't stop now.
You are closer than you think.
Don't stop now!
You are closer than you think.
Don't stop now. You're closer than you think.
And one more for when someone asks how you keep going. I just keep showing up every day. That's my secret.
And just keep showing up in her life, you know?
That is my secret superpower.
That really is the secret, isn't it?
That's the whole secret. No magic, no shortcut. Just show up every day. And one day you look up and you're fluent and you don't even know when it happened.
I want that day.
You will have it. Now say it like you mean it.
I just keep showing up every day. That's my secret.
Repeat after me. Feel every word. The hardest moment is right before the breakthrough.
The hardest moment is right before the breakthrough.
Don't stop now. You're closer than you think.
Don't stop now. You're closer than you think.
I just keep showing up every day. That's my secret.
I just keep showing up every day. That's my secret.
Everyone at home, all 3.
Out loud right now. Say it for yourself. Beautiful. Lesson number 3, done. Final round. I say the lesson, you say the key sentence. Fast and strong. Lesson 1, stop comparing.
I'm not there yet, but I'm getting closer every day.
Lesson 2, small steps.
Just 10 minutes. I can do 10 minutes.
Lesson 3, keep going.
Don't stop now. You're closer than you think.
Yes, that's everything right there. 3 sentences, 3 lessons. 1 direction, forward.
Forward. Always forward.
Okay, quiz time. 3 lessons, 3 questions. And this time, I want everyone at home to answer too. Ready?
Born ready.
Question 1. You see your friend speaking English better than you. You feel bad. What do you do?
I stop looking at my friend. I look at myself. Am I better than yesterday? Yes, that is enough.
Perfect. Question 2. You had a very busy day. You are tired. You have 10 minutes before bed. What do you do?
10 minutes. I open Slow Talk, I listen, I repeat. Small steps every day. It really adds up.
Yes. And question 3, the big one. You wake up one morning. You feel tired. You feel stuck. You think, maybe I should stop learning English. What do you say to yourself?
Don't stop now. You are closer than you think. The hardest moment is right before the breakthrough. Keep going. Keep showing up.
Claps slowly, Ethan. That was beautiful.
I meant every word.
I know. And everyone at home, we have a question for you. In the comments below, tell us, what is your hard moment? When did you want to stop? And what made you keep going? Write it below. We read every single comment, and your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today.
Your story matters. Write it. Share it. You never know who needs it right now.
So today, 3 lessons that will stay with you. Lesson 1, compare yourself to yesterday, not to others. You are your only competition.
I'm not there yet, but I'm getting closer every day.
Lesson 2, small steps every day, not big steps once a week. 10 minutes every single day. That is your secret weapon.
Just 10 minutes. I can do 10 minutes.
And lesson 3, the most important one. The day you want to stop, that is the day you are almost there. The hardest moment is always right before the breakthrough, so don't you dare stop now.
Don't stop now. You are closer than you think.
Every week, we are here, speaking slowly, learning together, growing together. This is Slow Talk Podcast, and next time...
Something everyone needs every single day. How to introduce yourself in English the right way. The way people remember you, the way that opens doors. Don't miss it.
Subscribe, come back, and remember, every big journey starts with one small step. You already took it. You are here. Keep going.
See you next time, slowly.